How to fix your Ethernet connection on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So to start up with the first step, open settings from the search bar. Once you do so, from the left side of your screen, go to network and connections. Once you open it, now tap on advanced network settings. Then you will see different options. You can tap on network reset and then click on the button of reset now. Once this is done, let's move on to the next step. So for that, open Device Manager. Give it the privileges or the administrative permissions. Then after, you have to go to Network Adapters. Click on its option and right-click on the adapter or the driver. Click on its properties and go to the driver. Then click on Update Driver option. You can either search automatically or browse the driver from your computer. To browse, go to the location whereby you have stored the location of your driver. Or you can click on Let me pick from the available drivers and pick the best suited one. Then tap on Next and update it. For the next step, again go to the settings and this time click on Network and Internet again. Now go to the proxy server and turn off the first option, which is automatically detect settings. Once this is done, let's move on the next solution. For this, you have to open Task Manager and click on Run New Task. Click on Browse, go to Windows C, Windows and then System32. In the file name, search for cmd.exe and hit the Open button. Make sure to click on Create this task with administrative privileges and hit Open. Once the command prompt is opened, you have to paste these 3 commands which is displayed on the screen onto your command prompt. The first one is winsock reset, reset catalog and ipconfig/+dns. So once this is done, you can restart your computer and you are good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.